Gotta make sure we get every crevice. Because remember, the steering wheel is the absolute most dirtiest part of the vehicle. Okay, and now that it's clean, now we're gonna put a little bit of protectant on it. So it just give it that little extra pop and shine. And I'll be right back. All right, so we're gonna use VRP as our protectant for the wheel. We're just gonna put it on a microfiber towel. Just put a little bit on the microfiber. And you just work it in. And it just gives it that little extra shine. And it's dry to the touch. And it works great every time. All right, guys, that's the finished look. Just blacken it up. It's nice and protected. And we'll see you on the next one.